I'm going back in. Hey y'all, Bear here. It's Tuesday, time for camp cooking. Y'all ready to travel the world with me? That's right, we're gonna do it with food today. We're going to Africa. We're gonna do some African chicken peanut stew. Here's the recipe and the description. And I'll put down in the description of the video my conversion for camping. But I've got some salted roasted peanuts, peanut butter, low sodium chicken bouillon. I've got sweet potato. I pre-diced it to save time. If it goes on the trail with you, you want to take it looking like this and dice it up at camp. I've got chicken, and then I've got all the other little ingredients right in here. And we've got onion, ginger, garlic, our tomato powder, coriander, cayenne, black pepper, and cilantro. Look down there below to see the measurements. Well, let's get it cooking. Rolling on the sterno, rolling on the sterno. And we got some ginger. We're gonna get going. If I were backpacking, I'd take the dry. I just ran out. All right, we let the ginger go for just a smidgen in its own water just to release it. But otherwise, it would just go in with everything else if I was using dry. Let's go ahead and load up the bowl here. I'm gonna put my ingredients in and then fill it with water to see how much I need. In with the sweet potato, chicken bouillon, and if you want to keep this guy vegan, vegetable bouillon, skip the chicken. I need peanuts. And that's where the salt's coming from for my recipe. I need all of that goodness. Let's get some water going. Peanut butter. And now, you know what? We're just going to ignore it. Everything's in the pot. Let it start getting happy. We'll come by and give it a little stir every now and again. We can go do camp stuff. This will do its own thing. So every once in a while, you're just going to come along, give it a little mix. Alright, we're about 10 minutes in. Let's give her a little stir. Ah, boy, you can smell the peanut. A little preview taste. Oh yeah. Ooh, spicy peanut. Alright, so let's add the chicken and let it start to get hot. And using this canned chicken, that's going to give us a little bit more sodium. Alright y'all, drain the water or not. Some of y'all fussed at me for draining the water before. So we'll go ahead and put it in and see what it does. Ooh. It made my pot full is what it did. Maybe 5-10 more minutes, let the chicken get hot. Now I would let it keep going for a few more minutes, but honestly we're about to run out of daylight. Get in there, cilantro. I'm voting I probably should have drained the chicken off. I had enough liquid in here, but it's in there. So, what you think? A bite? Let's put it in a bowl. Alright, let's see here. We can't leave it like that. We gotta pretty it up a little, y'all. Looks all sloppy right now. We don't want it to be sloppy, do we? There we go. Now we've got an appropriate bowl of soup. We can serve our guests. You ever get guests at camp? Alright, there we go. There's the bite. We got some sweet potato and some chicken, some peanut in the broth. It's hot. Oh, that's some pure yumminess. Heck yeah. There's your soup for camp, and we'll see you on the trail.